In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-create subtasks in Jira. If you're managing projects in Jira, you know how crucial it is to keep everything organized and streamlined. Subtasks are a great way to break down complex tasks into manageable parts, making it easier to track progress. Our focus today is setting up an automation rule that allows us to generate these subtasks automatically whenever specific conditions are met. This will save you time and keep your project board looking neat and consistent. Let's start by heading over to the Jira settings. Click on the cog icon located at the top right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and select System. This area is where your administrative settings reside, providing you with the ability to configure and customize your Jira project to meet your specific needs. Once you're in the system settings, navigate to the automation section and select Global Automation. Global Automation allows you to create rules that apply across all the projects within your Jira instance. This is especially useful if you're managing multiple projects that require consistent task workflows. Next, you'll want to create a new rule. To do this, simply click on the Create Rule button. This is where all the magic happens. By setting up this rule, you dictate the circumstances under which certain actions, like creating subtasks, are triggered automatically. Now, choose a trigger for your rule. Triggers define the events that start the automation. For this setup, we want to use the issue transitioned trigger. Specifically, we're interested in adding subtasks whenever an issue moves to a particular status, like to do. This ensures that whenever a task reaches a certain stage in your workflow, the necessary subtasks are ready to go, keeping your projects moving smoothly. After setting up your trigger, it's time to add an action. Click on the option to add an action and select Create Subtask. This action will let us outline what happens when our trigger condition, in this case an issue transitioning, is met. Enter the details for your subtask. This is where you provide important information needed for each subtask. Think of it as detailing your plans for each part of the main task. You'll create a summary for each subtask, defining distinct names like gather requirements, develop feature, or testing. This way everyone on the team understands what needs to be done at each step. Don't forget that there's an option to add a description for each subtask. While this step is optional, it can be quite useful for providing additional context or specific instructions, ensuring clarity across your team. Once you've added all the necessary details, click Next to review the rule setup. Take a moment to ensure everything is in place and accurate. Finally, you'll need to activate your rule. Go ahead and turn on the rule to put it into action. Now your Jira project is set to automatically create subtasks whenever the specified trigger occurs, keeping your workflows organized and consistent.